Good morning, guys. I am off to go eat breakfast, and at this little what is it called? It's a little cafe. I went here maybe like 2 years ago, and it's small. It had like homey country style food, big portions, and I just decided to have breakfast, and I just didn't want to go anywhere generic like a Denny's or something like that because I just kind of like homemade food, I guess. Um, Today's going to be exciting. I'm pretty excited for it. I'm going to be, after going to go eat, I'm going to do a volunteer job. We're going to do a beach cleanup, which is really awesome. Kind of the point of my videos is to go out by yourself, try to have a good time by yourself, meet new people, and also, getting comfortable in front of a camera, and also, you know, volunteering. Volunteering is really great. It really helps out. So many volunteer options. I think I'll talk to about how to volunteer and where to volunteer in my next video, and it's really good. So, yeah. So after the volunteer job, I plan to. I don't know. There'll be some downtime, but I'm definitely doing an aquarium. I'm gonna do a comedy club, I think. If I don't do a comedy club, I'll eat at a restaurant or something, but I'm pretty sure I'll do the comedy club. And then after, I'll go out for the nightlife. Since I didn't go out last night, I just kind of slept in. I felt awful. So I just decided, hey, why don't I just sleep in? So I slept in and it was great. So I will see you guys at my next location. Bye, guys. So hey guys, I just found out that the volunteer job for the beach cleanup was last week. So I'm heading into Walmart to go buy some plastic bags and gloves, and I'm just gonna go to the beach and I'm gonna pick up crap myself because I feel awful that I missed it, and I want to do something to better the community and do something nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and so I'm on my way to Walmart right now. It's bright and early, no one's out. It's very interesting. It's a very quiet city in the morning. So I'll be heading into Walmart to go pick up some stuff. And the rest of the day will still be the same. I'll see you guys later. Bye. I'm inside Walmart right now, and I have to say, I've never been in a Walmart that's just completely empty. The luxuries of being up early. So yeah, I'm trying to look for these gloves. Yeah, found them. Boom, boom. Just don't know which ones I want. I just don't know which ones I want. So yeah, the sun is in my eyes, guys, but this beach is dirty as heck. I didn't expect it to be so dirty. I would have brought a bigger bag to clean more, but I have my small H&M bag that I took from the house because I didn't want to bring a big garbage bag. I didn't want to. I don't know. Just didn't feel like it. I'm sorry. Like the sun is like right here. Like okay, now my eyes aren't fine. But yeah. So I'm gonna start cleaning up as much as there's literally a shoe. Like a shoe. There is a shoe. Look. No, it's going away. Do you see that? There is a shoe in there. I just did not expect this. I mean, in San Diego, like, the beaches are pretty clean. But I guess everybody doesn't have that luxury, so time to get cleaning. Bye, guys. This bird is just chilling. Look at it. It's like, oh yeah. Time to get my feet wet. Oh, it feels so good. Look at him. Oh, it feels great. Feels great, man. Feels super. Look at him. Look at him go. Look. Oh God. Oh God. Too much water. Too much water. Oh yeah, my feet. Oh yeah, it feels so good. Oh yeah. It feels really good. It feels so good. Oh yeah. Nice and wet. It's eating things. Someone put in the comments, what is it eating? I should look it up later. Oh God, delicious. What are you eating? What are you eating? Like you're like. Oh God, too much water. Oh God, there's way too much. Do you see this? It's disgusting. Who thinks this is a good? It literally says, "Do not put in the ocean." And what do? Put it in the ocean. Why? Why do you guys think this is a good idea? Stop putting this in the ocean. It's just gonna go to our. We already. No, let me not be racist. But we already have disgustingness. I am done. I'm not picking up anymore. I did my job. The sand is heavy. So yeah, I don't understand why you guys do this, Long Beach people. Please keep our beaches clean. I'm trying to, but people are freaking disgusting. Oh God. I don't know how this is gonna work. Oh God. I don't know how it's gonna work. Oh no, I don't know. Bye. I shall be heading to the aquarium and seeing all the little fishies. And so yeah. Hey guys, I am headed to a nightclub to party. Shout outs to a friend who told me, hey, you should go out. Places are popping on Sunday nights. And I was like, excuse me. I like when things pop, and I like when things are off the hook and chains. So, heading there now. Hopefully it's fun. I mean, it's going to be fun because I'm going to be there, and I make everything fun. But, if it's not fun, I did it for the vlog, so.
Give me the fucking
Look
light.
at my new friends. New friends! Yay! Yay!
Friends are awesome.
Good morning, guys. It is the last day. It's time to go. It's time to clean up and get my butt back home. Like I said last night, it was a great, great weekend. I'm enjoying all of this. And until next time, cue the clips of me cleaning up and leaving. Bye, guys. Are you gonna focus? Bye, guys. I am out of here. Let's say goodbye. I had just a great time here. It was amazing. It was just amazing, and yeah, I had a great time here. It was amazing, and I'm out of here. I am going back home, and I took some things out of this experience, some good things, nothing bad. It was all great, so trips ended, time to go back to reality. Met some cool people, could have met more, did some kind of volunteering. I tried my best, guys. I tried my best, but let me get out of here. Let's have a great time, and I'll see you.